Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new video series. In this series, I will introduce you all to those words that you need for telling time in Korean language. Okay, so let's start with the part 1 of this series. First one is the Korean word for time, and that is 시간. 시간. Okay, now comes the Korean word for today, and that is 오늘. 오늘. Now let's see how to say yesterday in Korean language, and that is 어제. 어제. Next comes the Korean word for day before yesterday, and that is 그저께. 그저께. Next, let's see how to say tomorrow in Korean language, and that is 내일. 내일. Now comes the Korean word for day after tomorrow, and that is 모레. 모레. Now let's see how to say clock in Korean language, and that is 시계. 시계. Now comes the Korean word for hour, and that is 시. 시. Remember one thing, that sometimes the word for time, which is 시간, can also mean hour. Okay, we just saw that in Korean language time is called 시간, but you will notice that sometimes hour is also called 시간. Okay, so it is important to understand the context of the sentence in order to figure out if 시간 means hour or time. However, don't worry about this distinction for now. In our upcoming videos on expressing time in Korean language, I will clarify when 시간 specifically refers to hour and when it indicates time. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this now, right? Next comes the Korean word for minute, and that is 분. 분. Now the last one is the Korean word for second, and that is 초. 초. So today we learned 10 very important words related to time in Korean language. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.